525,600 minutes, 525,000 moments so dear, 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year? In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee, in inches, in miles, in laughter, in strife, in 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year in the life? How about love? How about love? How about love? Measuring love. Seasons of love. Seasons of love.
Khan Schmitz. I scare children out of their wits. But you'll see at a glance, sir, my school is the answer for sugars and dreamers and twits. And in this case, I'd say the shoe fits. 10 hut, feet together, chin up, eyes on the prize, forward. The military academy is the place where he should be sent. We'll drill the silliness from his head, I'm sure we'll make a dent. We'll teach him fighting and left and righting until he's muscled and tan. A hut, 2, 3, he's pathetic. A hut, 2, 3, unathletic. A hut, 2, 3, but I think we can. The military, that's what makes a boy a man. The military's extraordinarily good for somebody meek. He'll bunk with bullies who beat him up
at least 3 times a week.
He'll sweat and shiver and eat raw liver. It's all a part of the plan.
A hut, 2, 3.
When they suffer,
a hut, 2, 3.
Boys get tougher.
A hut, 2, 3.
And it's time he began. The military, that's what makes a boy.
That's what makes a boy.
For my own enjoyment, that I met kid.